Hi everyone, in this video we will replace the insert in a Toyota rear wiper blade. First, lift the end cap. Pulling apart the sides releases the pegs from the slots. Lift the blade arm and gently rotate the blade until it snaps free. The end of the blade slot catches the snap on the blade arm. Remove the blade from the arm and then remove the insert from the blade. Lift an end of the insert over the stop and slide out the insert. Remove the two flat metal bars and insert them into the top slot of the new insert. The claws of the wiper blade go in the second slot of the insert. To avoid the claws from jumping out of the second slot, I found the following sequence helpful. First, install the insert onto the claws of the swivel side of the wiper blade. Slide the end over the stop until the other end passes the claw. And then slide that end of the insert into the claw. Verify that the insert is secure between the stops and in the claws. Reinstall the blade onto the arm and carefully rotate it to snap it in place. Lower the blade and snap down the end cap. Here's another video that might interest you.